Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this pre-owned Centurion that we just took in. This is a 2017 Centurion Ri 237. So comes in at 23 feet in length and obviously a surf boat. So let's walk through this nice used boat that we have. As you can see, it's got the nice metallic silver on the outside with a white accent. They do have, Centurion has what they call their ram fill. So as far as filling up the boat, it fills up pretty fast to their ballast tanks and everything. So again, Centurion Ri 237. We come to the back here, kind of where everything happens as far as surfing and wakeboarding goes. Obviously, you got the nice swim platform here with the sea decking up here, so it feels nice on your feet, dries off really quickly, and then they have all their information down in here for surfing. So you've got your surf wedge on this side and another one there, and then this all kind of works in tandem together to get your surf wave to really what you want it to be. So lots to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 2017 Ri 237 from Centurion. So we'll start back here. You got the nice padding back in here, so if you want to hang out in the sun, it's nice and soft. And then you have the nice sea decking that comes all the way through, so it'll help you get into the boat. There is storage on both of those on that side. The engine here is the PCM H6, so it's got 450 horsepower. So plenty of horsepower for this 23-foot boat. Turned on all the lights, kind of fun. There's lights on the interior, lights along the floor. And then obviously you can see we got lights up in the speakers. This is all Roswell. So nice loud system. We got some lights up in the tower itself. And then the tower mounted bimini. So when you do want some sun coverage, you can open that up and it's attached to the tower. And then you have your surfboard racks on both sides as well. So seating all the way around, you got storage underneath pretty much every one of those seats. This middle seat does pull out all the way back into here with two backrests if you'd like them. And then storage underneath here. You got some storage here, so plenty of space for all your storage. Then we come up to the helm. We got the nice helm seat right here. And then you have two dual screens with all your information that you're going to need for surfing, wakeboarding, whatever it is you need. You got your radio over here. This particular boat has 483 hours on it. So plenty of surfing and wakeboarding left in it. So let's go up to the bow of the boat. Got a little step up right here. We got some storage underneath there. We got storage underneath the seats here. We got cup holders, speakers up here. And then we also have the bow filler cushion if you want to fill in this entire area. So like I mentioned before, this is a 2017 Ri 237 from Centurion. It does include the trailer as well. This boat is here at our Rogers location, so if you want to come take a look at it, stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment. As always, click the like button for this video and also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.